Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kylie, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Okay, well today we'll be unboxing a PR box from Care Bear Naturals. Yeah, so this is the box that they sent me. It has a durable box, matigas yung box niya. So, it has a leather ribbon. So, let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Ay, ang hirap. Wait. Not girl. So, yan. I'll just open it. Ah, hirap ang pagtuloy. Ah, hinihila lang kasi. Ay, hindi pa rin. Ay, hindi pa rin. Okay, struggle. Pati yung ribbon, matibay. Ayan na. Okay. So, may nakasulat sila ditong Care Bear sa baba. Ay, yes na. Ayan, masyado akong excited. So, yan. Basta yan, may Care Bear dito sa baba. So, pag binuksan natin, ang makikita natin ay sandamakmak na products. Nice naman. I like that. So, they sent me the card. Nakasulat dito ay, hello, congratulations. Welcome to Care Bear Babies Beauty Ambassador Circle. So, that's right. You heard it right. I'm already one of their Care Bear babies. I am. So, time to express your creativeness, confidence, and natural beauty. Embrace your flaws and feel beautiful. Experience, share, influence, and spread the word by loving and enjoying our locally made natural products. Let your skin do the talking. Enjoy Care Bear Naturals. It's a privilege. It's really a privilege to use brands that are locally made by the beautiful and lovely Filipinos. Ayan. So, I'm proud, super proud to be a Care Bear baby now. So, guys, you should follow them on Instagram and check their Facebook page. So, ito na nga. Let's go to the PR package. Meron silang binigay sa akin na Care Bear Naturals Hi Minty Foam Facial Wash. So, 160 ml na siya. It's written here that it's for all the skin types. Meron din silang kasama ditong ingredients. Sa separate paper, smaller paper. Sana nandito na lang, no? Pero anyway, okay lang yan. So, alpha-arbutin, snail-filtered extract, azidic optima, alactoin, carrot extract, aloe vera extract, vegetable glycerin. Yeah, I like glycerin. Nagpapaganda talaga siya ng face. Meron nga akong video nun. How to get glowing skin with glycerin. So, niacinamide, which is vitamin D3, lactomose, SLS, 83, oil, fragrance, and preservative. So, I think naman lahat ng cosmetics, somehow may preservatives. Yan, but it's nice that they already included it, so mga sensitive dyan. They know, but it's written here that it's for all skin types. Ayan. Next, they also gave me a glow serum. Wow, I'm a really big fan of glow serums. And I'm looking forward to really try this. I think this will be perfect for me kasi they are locally made. So, I really put serums every day. Talagang every day. Feeling ko gumaganda ako pag nalagay ako ng serum. And it's written here that it's deep hydration. It's already 30 ml. Meron din siyang separate information on a separate piece of paper. So the ingredients are alpha-arbutin, niacinamide, tea tree oil, snail-filtered extra, aloe vera extra, carrot extra, papaya extra, and collagen. So I think pag ginamit mo itong dalawa ng sabay, talagang gaganda ka talaga. So I think I will also include the price somewhere here. The prices. Ayan. Okay, so the application, ay nalimutan ko basahin yung isa. Pero ito, anyway, for the glow serum, with a few drops on your face, pat the serum gently in a circular motion. Let the skin absorb the serum. Can be used as a primer before applying makeup. And you can use it twice daily. And the expiration date is 1 year. Pero hindi nakasulat kung kailan siya ginawa. So, I think naman maubos ko to kagad. Okay, ano pa bang binigay nila sa akin? They also gave me 4 shades of lipsticks. Perfect kasi wala pa akong lipstick. Ayan, tignan natin. It's a Care Bear Natural Velvet Cream Bear Blossom. So, nakasulat na dito, precautions store in cool, dry place, preserve shelf life, that will slow oxidation, avoid direct sun exposure, to avoid discoloration. So, ingredients, ang hirap asahin, guys. So, it's paraben-free. Expiration is January 2020. So, ano ba ngayon? 19. So, parang 1 year din. 1 year. So, it's already 10 ml. So, I think they have more shades. And they gave me 4 shades. So, I think I'll be swatching. This deserves another video. Yeah, but for now, I think I will use I will use maybe summer break. Let's apply it. And pangabay lang. So it is really creamy. It's nice. Ano siyang bubble gum. Ang creamy niya, oh. It has a different feeling compared to the other lipsticks when you apply it. You'll know, parang iba talaga. Parang refreshing. Parang ito siya mabigat. Ang smooth ng feeling. With the glide. Tignan natin pag nag-dry. Okay. So they gave me 4 shades, which are Summer Break, Beer Blossom, Beer Bohemian, may lista sa beer, and Birthday Kiss. Okay, thank you so much. Aside from that, they also gave me a, Care Bear Natural Lip Scrub. I'm also into this, 2 lip scrubs. So, it's gummy bear and bubble gum. Siguro pareho dito. Because it has ingredients like shea butter, sugar, glycerin, vitamin E, carrot extract, colorant, preservatives. It's paraben free. Amoy nga siyang bubble gum. Bubble gum. Ayan. Okay, thank you. And the last 2 things that they sent me are this Care Bear Naturals Tinted Sunscreen. So they gave me 2 shades, Golden Caramel and Vanilla SPF. Vanilla SPF 50 na siya, and it's 10 ml. Okay. They have a cute packaging. It's my first time to see this kind of packaging for the base. Ganyan. So, the active ingredients are rose water, wow, which is a water, sodium hyaluronate, aloe vera gel, rooibos extract, watermelon extract, vitamin A, vitamin E, collagen, and the expiration is 1 year. I think, just by looking at it, my shade is vanilla. Perfecto kasi lalabas ako. So, maglalagay na akong now na. Wow! Madaling i-guys. Alis ako eh. So, buti lang, nakapsan ko itong clear package. Amoy siya. Amoy siyang may pagka 50% sunscreen and may kumuti guys. Siyempre. I think I will like this. I think I will use this every day until the last squirt. Last squirt. We'll see the difference, guys. And it's nice that it's already SPF 50. Painit kaya sa labas. Ang ganda ko. Ang ganda mo. Ganda ko. Kaya 50%, pero mabango siya, hindi siya yung mabango siya, paano ko ba explain? Lotion, ang may lotion. Oo, amoy siyang lotion. Hindi siya, may pagka-amoy ng SPF lang. Hintayin natin siya mag-mattify, kung mag-mattify siya. Yun guys, kung yung face ko. Parang masyado makuligilo, pero parang okay lang. Hindi pa siya bantay sa neck ko. Wait lang, let's wait for it now. I think 1 drop is okay na. Ang dalawa kasi pinindok ko eh. Dito okay, pero dito hindi pa. Let's just wait. Na after 10 years, nangyari sa'yo. So, this also deserves a review. Everything, I will be reviewing everything. Ayan, masaya na ako dyan. Okay na, punta akong masaya siya. Punta lang naman akong SM eh. Ito, katlamad, sayang yung product. Huwag na akong maglagay dito, powder na lang. So, ayan. Ready nang umalis si ate girl. Lagdagan ko na lang yung kilay ko. Parang nawala rin. Anyway, maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na to. Huwag nyo nang kalimutang i-follow sa Instagram ang Care Bear Naturals. Ilalagay ko na rin dito yung mga links nila. Tapos, huwag nyo na rin kalimutang mag-subscribe sa channel ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Abangan nyo po ang mga review ko. See you again next time. Bye!